Please note, before performing the capping procedure in this video, it is mandatory to complete your regular, daily and weekly maintenance. If you're unsure of these steps, we have detailed videos available that guide you through the entire process. Start by carefully removing the printhead cover. This will give you clear access to all the components required for the capping maintenance process. Switch the machine off. Once it's powered down, locate the linear actuator underneath the printhead. This locks the printhead in place. Loosen the linear actuator to unlock the printhead. Now move the printhead so that you can access the capping station. Then move the printhead all the way to the left side of the machine to clean underneath the printhead. Before we continue, make sure you have DTF printer cleaning liquid, a lint-free cloth and cotton swabs ready. Apply DTF cleaning liquid to the lint-free cloth, fold it in half and gently clean underneath the printed area as shown. Next, move back to the capping station to clean the cap tops. Take a lint-free cloth, fold it in half and apply DTF cleaning liquid to it. You can now begin cleaning the capping station as shown. Underneath the capping station, you'll see two waistlines connected to the printhead. Make sure they are firmly secured in place, as this prevents DTF cleaning liquid from entering the waistlines and causing the printhead to run dry. Return to the capping station and apply DTF cleaning liquid to the cap tops as shown. Switch the machine back on. Next, move the printhead back to its original position. Always ensure that the ink levels in the dampers are even and that there is sufficient ink. Place the printhead cover back onto the printhead. We are now finished. Keep the machine switched on to prevent clogging and ink contamination, which can damage both the printhead and the printer. You can now go on holiday with peace of mind. It is also recommended not to leave the printer unused for longer than 2 weeks. If you'll be away for an extended period, feel free to contact us for further guidance.